Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a pretty dramatic day, and I don't want to say that the entire chart was destroyed because that would be way too much of an over-exaggeration, but it was a disappointing day when you stop and think about the fact that the price opened there, went all the way up there, and then after that has essentially, gone right back to where it started. Not quite, but just a big rollover after such a big move. But, just taking a step back, looking at things from, the bigger picture point of view, the technical levels are still holding in there. And the main technical level that you would want to see act as support, and that is still indeed acting as support, is that pink line there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 200 period simple moving average. I mean, even if you have just a surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period moving average, and you know that when the price is up above it, you want to see the price stay up above it. And so far, so good. The price is maintained above it. And even with the big pullback, the price actually hasn't even tested it. So from that angle in and of itself, a nice little sign of strength that the level of support is not only holding, but hasn't even been tested. So keep an eye on that level going forward. Now, and I should note that the current value of the 200 period moving average is at 285. But if the price goes down to the 200 period and then just crashes down through it, okay, at that point in time, that would be changing the landscape of the chart quite a bit. But as of right now, even with the bigger pullback, the price is still above that 200 period moving average, which is a good sign to see, from the support side of things. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, if there is going to be any sort of movement to the upside, right around the $3.10 mark is going to be public enemy number one moving forward. But as of right now, at least in my opinion, top priority is not necessarily levels of resistance. It's all about making sure this goes through a healthy consolidation and chips away and builds a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.